The Italian authorities are taking a step into the future of military aviation with a new order for Leonardo AW249 helicopters, which is an essential part of the Army's fleet renewal program. These new attack machines are set to replace outdated models like the A129 Mangusta, which has been in service since the 1990s. The Italian Ministry of Defense has decided to purchase 17 AW249 helicopters, with deliveries scheduled for 2027. The essence of this contract is not just the replacement of older models but also the implementation of advanced technologies and enhanced capabilities, which will allow the Army's helicopters to operate in a variety of conditions and effectively perform combat missions. According to information published in an Italian magazine, these helicopters will be used to replace the aging A129 Mangusta, which has become outdated for the Army's needs. Currently, Leonardo has already built several prototypes of the AW249, as well as a few pre-production units, which will be used for testing and the development of new weapon systems. The AW249 is an evolution of the earlier AW129 model but significantly improved in both technical specifications and capabilities. It is equipped with modern engines producing 2,500 horsepower, and can not only carry weaponry but also use it effectively in the most challenging climatic conditions. It is also worth noting that the AW249 is capable of carrying a wide range of missile armaments and can be equipped with a unique gun that adds even more firepower. The Italian Ministry of Defense sees the AW249 as a helicopter that will play an important role in the country's evolving army aviation, providing the necessary flexibility and power to carry out a wide range of missions in the future.